DR Secret since year 2000. It's now 100% natural and effective for home treatment with full guidance from our senior consultant. The company started in 1990 with two great founders, one who is an expert and fully dedicated in the product's innovations. BWL Best World Lifestyle is based in Singapore and is the only direct selling company which has been registered in Singapore Stock Exchange since 2004. The company's good reputation has grown over the years across Asian countries, and they are reaching out to more countries in their global expansion scheme. So where are the products being produced? The answer is high-quality products are being produced and imported from all over the world. DR Secret has earned multi-regional compliances in EU and Southeast Asian countries, and each product undergoes monthly SGS inspection. The safety of the product has been guaranteed to certify that DR Secret is safe and natural. DR Secret has proven to erase signs of aging without loss of facial expressions and no clinical treatments required. Research and developments, new innovations and improved formulas are continuously being done in BWL. A new GMP Certified factory located in Singapore is now under construction. Each individual will require a unique formula to suit the skin condition, and our consultant is ready to analyze your skin through an online consultation. And we provide delivery services to your doorstep. So please follow us on our Instagram and see real testimonies and get linked to our senior consultant.